The XIEPU circular tape wrapping machine bids farewell to manual winding, bringing you unprecedented efficiency, precision, and reliability. Are you still troubled by the arduous, inefficient, and inconsistent manual tape winding? Whether it's cable joint sealing, pipeline anti-corrosion, metal pipe and protection, wire harness fixing, or product bundling, manual operation is not only time consuming and labor-intensive, but also difficult to ensure the uniformity, tightness, and consistency of winding, directly affecting product life and brand image. Say goodbye to slow manual operations. The machine automatically completes high-speed and continuous circular winding, significantly improving efficiency. With precise tension control, the intelligent system ensures constant tape tension, maintaining uniform tightness and eliminating common issues of looseness or over-tightening in manual operations. It ensures that each layer of tape fits tightly and is neatly arranged without bubbles or wrinkles, achieving perfect sealing, protection, or bundling effects. Maximize tape utilization. The XIEPU circular tape wrapping machine makes rubber wrapping look easy, efficient, and perfect, injecting strong competitiveness into your enterprise. XIEPU joins hands with you to collaborate and bring benefits to all.